Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Surface Pen or removing its battery so nothing triggers while you work. Next, position the pen with the tip facing up and grip the tip firmly with a tweezer or the supplied removal tool. This gives you leverage without squeezing the pen body. Pull straight out with steady force. Twisting can shear the plastic ferrule or damage the internal spring, so keep the motion aligned with the pen shaft until the old tip slides free. Once the old tip is out, inspect the socket for debris and check the new tip against the removed one to confirm compatibility. You want the same length and shape, so pressure sensitivity remains consistent. Align the tip shank with the socket and press straight in. You should feel a subtle click or resistance as it seats. Make sure it sits flush and centered, because a misaligned tip alters stroke accuracy and can stress the internal spring over time. After installing the tip, reinsert the battery and test the pen on your surface. Draw slow and fast strokes to confirm pressure sensitivity and responsiveness. If lines are inconsistent, recalibrate through settings or check for firmware updates as those fix tracking issues. Doing so ensures hardware and software match. If the tip wiggles, remove and reseat it carefully or swap in another spare tip. Persistent looseness or a cracked sleeve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.